What's up, guys? It's Kevin with the Knife Doctor, and this is going to be my first open tag ever. So I hope people participate. I've just learned about these and I really like them. So I'm going to call this open tag Wednesday Wilderness Camping Knife Adventure. It's any type of camping knife that you like to take on your camping trips or that you just collect. My favorite ones are the pocket camping knives. You know, it's got all the tools in them. Mainly the USA made, but I love Victorinox as well. That's Swiss made. But I'm also got a fixed blade knife I'm going to be showing you as well. So let's get started on my my camping knives. The first one I'm going to show you is a Boker USA, a vintage one. It's got stainless steel pins, brass liners, and Delrin scales. And I love the shield. It's one of my favorite shields. The biggest problem with the Boker knife, the old ones, is about 75% of the time the shield is gone when you find a Boker knife. But this is a camping knife. It's got a main blade, and you can see it's Boker USA. But it's got a can opener, of course. But this one has a pin blade instead of a punch blade. See that there? That's actually a pin blade, and it looks like it's never been used. And then you got a bottle opener with a flat tip screwdriver. I put a leather lanyard on it just to be able to reach in your pocket and pull it out. I just like to put them on there sometimes. Just it gives character to the knives is all. Okay, the next one is a Camillus USA made, probably from the 70s or 80s. Stainless steel blades, brass pins, Delrin handles, nickel plated bolsters. It's got a main blade, as you can see, Camillus right there, USA. And you got a punch blade, flat tip screwdriver with bottle opener, and a can opener. Great knife to have. It's old, but I love these little camp knives. The next one is a Case XX 1979. See the one dot right below USA? That means it's 1979. And you got a flat tip screwdriver with a bottle opener, can opener, punch blade, and the main blade, of course. Great knife to have. Brass liners, nickel plated bolsters, and Delrin handles, scales. Nice, very nice knife. Let's see, the next one is, I see these all over the place, and I have several of these, but they're good knives. It's a Boy Scout ulster. Brass pins, nickel plated bolsters, carbon steel blades, and you see the ulster, USA. Leather punch, bottle opener, and can opener. They're basically all the same, but I just like them. It's got brass liners as well. And squirrel throwing rocks. It's great. These are just great knives to have, and you're pretty much prepared for about anything you come across when you're camping. That's why I love these little knives. All the old manufacturer of knives made these things, so they're fun to collect. And this one is my absolute favorite, mainly because I've worked on this knife. I changed the handles out on this knife, the scales, and this is my 1940 to 1964 Case knife. It used to have, hear that squirrel throwing rocks? It used to have black Delrin handles. They had shrunk up, and I'll put a picture right here showing you what it looked like. But I changed that out. That was the first knife I've ever done the handles on. And this is my absolute favorite knife. I carry it every day. But it's in great shape. It's got can opener. It's got a leather punch blade. Main blade, you see that stamp there? Case XX. That stamp was only used from 1940 to 1964. It's got a flat tip screwdriver, bottle opener, and of course a can opener. Great knife. Brass liners, stainless steel pins, nickel plated bolsters. I'm so glad I found it. Found it in a thrift store in Pine Mountain, Georgia. I know I've told the story over and over again. But this is my absolute favorite knife because it just turned out so good. Using that deer stag. Awesome. The other camp knife, I'm almost done, I'm sorry, is the one I carry every day too, is a Victorinox Explorer. It's got a main blade. See, there's Victorinox. Main blade. It's got a small blade. It has scissors that work really well. You got a bottle opener with a wire stripper right there. Flat tip screwdriver. You got a can opener with a smaller flat tip screwdriver. And you have a Phillips head screwdriver. And this is the tool that I use when I go knife hunting on this knife. And that is the magnifying glass. Ain't that cool? If I can't read the stamp on the main blade with my eyes ain't what they used to be. I use this thing. It's got a corkscrew. And to me, that's the biggest waste on the Victorinox knife there is, because I don't know why, I guess to open a bottle of wine, you know, in a pinch, but it's also got a hook that would work good when you're making a casting net or something like that. You just grab something and pull through. It's got a punch blade with a needle eye there, like you can sew up a canvas or a tarp or something like that. For leather, be good for that. But that's the punch blade. It's supposed to have a pair of tweezers and toothpick, but I'm missing these on this knife. The tweezers are very good in Victorinox. This is the Victorinox Explorer knife. I love it. And the last knife I have is a fixed blade knife, and it's the Esee 5. Guys, this is a beast. You hear me? It's heavy. You can baton with that, and you see that? That's like a 1/4 inch thick right there. Tine right here. It's sharp as a razor. I don't know if y'all ever owned one, but I love the Esee knives. I love their story. They're not too far from here, and I hope to see them here. I hope to see them next weekend at the Georgia Bushcraft Gathering up in Watkinsville, Georgia. I'm going to that. I can't wait. I can't wait to see all the knife vendors. I can't wait to meet instructors. So it's going to be nice. But this is the Esee 5. I take it camping. It's even got a place where you can start use it for fire. Very nice knife. Good survival knife. Good bushcraft knife. Can't beat it. And it's heavy and well made. And it's made in the USA. Nice Kydex sheath. Belt clip. The Esee 5. My favorite knife to go camping. Anyway, guys, that's the open tag. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you participate. Please show me your camping knives, because I would love to see them. It don't matter if it's a kitchen knife. I'll be glad to see it. Thank y'all for tuning in today. I appreciate all the support. I appreciate all the subscribers already. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. If you like the content of the video, just give me a thumbs up. Y'all have a great day. God bless, and remember, always be like a good knife. Stay sharp. Stay sharp mentally, physically, and spiritually. Y'all have a wonderful day.